Hello guys, in Windows when I am trying to create my migration file on Visual Studio using this package manager console, here I'm going to say add hyphen migration and some migration file name like initial. So it shows me this error. Method fragment is in type Microsoft.EntityFrameworkCore.Design internal C#. So what will be the solution? You have to click these tools and then select NuGet Package Manager, select Manage NuGet Package for solution, and then here go to the browse section. You are going to type design. When you scroll, you will see this Microsoft.EntityFrameworkCore.Design one, and then here select your target project, go to the below, click install. Now click OK here. I accept. Okay, now what I will do, just close this and then open the package manager console again, NuGet package manager console, and then here I'm going to run the command again, add hyphen migration. I am going to say init for that or something else. Okay, now we can run update hyphen database. Now if we scroll here in the project, we have the migration folder. Okay, now everything is working. Alright, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.